Hello friends, today we are servicing the rocker arm assembly, that is the adjuster bolt with the lock nut, the L key bolt, and these are the two oil holes, oil lines inside the rocker arm. That is the front side of the rocker arm, the hole on the front side, the valve side, here you can see, and that is on the back side where our push rods are installed under this bolt. The ball of this bolt will be installed in the push rod. The push rod will move with the help of the camshaft, and this rocker will operate the valve, intake and exhaust. These are the 6 rocker arms. These are the adjusting bolts with the Allen key head, and the other end of this bolt is a ball which will be fixed in the push rod. The push rods are moving with the help of camshaft, and these rocker arms are moving our valves. In the center of this rocker arm you can see a groove for the oil line, from where oil is lubricating the bush and also the valves and the push rods. These are the oil holes in the rocker arm. To assemble this rocker arm, these are the springs, the spacers, and circle block for this rocker arm shaft assembly. The rocker arm shaft is hollow from inside. The oil pressure is built inside the hollow pipe, inside this pipe, and from the small holes each rocker arm is lubricated. Here you can see the small holes which are lubricating our rocker arms. From this hole the oil enters, and then to small holes it is divided to. It's completely hollow from inside. To assemble this rocker arm, insert each rocker not like that. That's the right way of installing the rockers. The gap between the front of the rocker should be according to the valves, gap between the valves. Install the spring in between the rockers. There are 2 springs for 6 rockers in Perkins 3-cylinder engine, 3 intake and 3 exhaust valves. That is the second spring. Now that is the wrong way. That is the right way of installing the rocker arms. That is the end spacer or spring. And then we will install the locks at the end of this rocker arm. There you can see it's completely assembled. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like that. If you need any information regarding the rocker arms and their function, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks again.